Good Tuesday morning, everybody. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to the Cruise News. All right, we're going to start off with a cruise cancellation. Now, this is going to be a cancellation over in the Mediterranean area, and a very small cruise line called Selectum Blu Cruises. Well, they are canceling all of their upcoming departures for their one and only cruise ship, the Blue Sapphire. Now, the Blue Sapphire is currently based in Turkey, and it is a small 750 passenger vessel doing short cruises in the Eastern Mediterranean. Now, no official statement has been made by Selectum Blu. However, over on their website, all of their future cruises, the ability to book anything in the future, well, it is completely gone. So that is definitely not good news for this company. They possibly having some kind of financial issue. They may be the end of Selectum Blu, but no official statement has been put out. If we hear anything, of course, we'll let you guys know. Another small cruise line, Crystal Cruise Lines, well, they have announced that they are going to begin home porting in Port Everglades in Florida starting in November of 2024. So the Crystal Serenity, which is a 740 passenger vessel that's currently being refit over in Italy, is going to be the ship that will home port in Port Everglades. So my question is, have you ever sailed on Crystal Cruise Lines, and would that be a cruise line you would consider now that they're going to be sailing out of Fort Lauderdale? And finally, an increased demand for cruises, an increased number of bookings. I mean, cruise bookings are up. They're at some of their all-time highest. The demand continues to grow. Bookings are expected to be high. Ships are expected to be full well into 2024. And because of this, we're seeing a jump in the value of cruise stock. So if you own stock in any of the cruise lines, particularly Carnival, Norwegian, and Royal Caribbean, well, I'm sure you noticed yesterday that there was a jump in their value. Carnival Cruise Lines gained 13% yesterday, Royal Caribbean gained 2%, and finally, Norwegian Cruise Lines gained 7.8%. So a nice increase in all the cruise lines, at least for those that own stock in the cruise lines. And I'm no financial expert in any way, shape, or form, but I would believe if cruise bookings continue to go up, people continue to go out and enjoy the cruise vacations, those that own cruise stock will continue to see the benefits. And that's going to be our cruise news video for today. Really short, really sweet, not a whole lot going on in the cruising world, at least today. Well, I hope everyone out there has enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.